Are you aware of the changes made to the Uniform Standard of Professional Appraisal Practice in 2024? Well, let's dive right in and explore these updates together. The 2024 USPAP still consists of 5 sections, namely Preamble, Definitions, Rules, Standards, and Statements on Appraisal Standards. However, the changing market conditions, new technology, fair housing, and the coronavirus pandemic have increased the need for more guidance. As a result, the 2024 USPAP is now a standalone publication, and the advisory opinions and frequently asked questions have been published separately in the USPAP Guidance and Reference Manual. Several definitions have been revised, and some terms that were previously defined in USPAP have been dropped as their meanings are generally understood. The most significant change was the removal of the definition of misleading. A 4th section titled Non-Discrimination was added to the ethics rule. This rule emphasizes an appraiser's obligation to comply with laws that apply to discrimination. It states clearly that an appraiser must not violate any federal, state, or local anti-discrimination laws or regulations. Let's take a moment to delve deeper into a real-life example of how the non-discrimination rule in the ethics section of the 2024 USPAP is applied. In this case study, we will explore the situation of an appraiser who was found to be in violation of the non-discrimination rule. This appraiser, let's call him John, was assigned to appraise a residential property in a predominantly minority neighborhood. John, unfortunately, let his biases cloud his judgment and based his opinion of value on the racial composition of the neighborhood. This action was a clear violation of the non-discrimination rule. As a result, John faced severe consequences, including a suspension of his license and a hefty fine. This situation could have been entirely avoided had John adhered strictly to the non-discrimination rule, which clearly states that an appraiser must not base their opinion of value on the race, color, religion, national origin, sex, disability, or familial status. This case study serves as a stark reminder of the importance of adhering to the non-discrimination rule in all appraisal assignments. Remember, as appraisers, we are obligated to uphold the highest standards of ethical conduct. In addition, the rule also states that an appraiser must not base their opinion of value in any residential real property assignment on race, color, religion, national origin, sex, disability, or familial status. The rule further expands that an appraiser must not base their opinion of value in assignments connected with a credit transaction on race, color, religion, national origin, sex, marital status, age, source of income, or the exercise of rights under the Consumer Credit Protection Act. The rule also emphasizes that an appraiser must not violate any state or local anti-discrimination laws or regulations applicable to their assignment. Whether or not any anti-discrimination law or regulation applies, an appraiser must not develop or report an opinion of value that is based on the actual or perceived race, ethnicity, color, religion, national origin, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, gender expression, marital status, familial status, age, receipt of public assistance income, or disability of any person. In summary, the 2024 USPAP changes have placed a spotlight on the need for appraisers to be knowledgeable about and compliant with anti-discrimination laws and regulations. It has also emphasized the importance of appraisers performing their assignments with impartiality, objectivity, and independence without accommodating personal interests. These changes are not just about legal compliance, but also about promoting fairness and equality in the appraisal industry. So, keep these changes in mind as we navigate the evolving landscape of the real estate industry.